Did you know that if you don't answer a customer inquiry within 5 minutes, your chances of closing that lead plummets by 80%? And if you're swamped under like a mountain of requests and deadlines, you simply can't keep up. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how to build a customer service bot for your website that replies instantly, and it's built on your own company knowledge and ready to connect every visitor straight to you. These kind of chatbots are super useful, especially for websites, but you can build them for other purposes as well. Today, we're just going to focus on the website. I've got one on my Quietly Smart website right here. And let's just start a new chat. I might ask, when can you start work? I need a consultation. And then it says you can book a 30-minute consultation right here. If you click on this link, it brings the visitor straight to my calendar and they can choose a time and book a call with me. The most common question that people ask is, how much does it cost? And then it gives our pricing. So we've got 3 different things that we offer. Maybe that's not super clear. So maybe they don't know what a quick win session means. So maybe they'll say, I don't understand. And then it explains what each of those things are, right? And then there's a call to action saying either email me or book a time with me on Calendly. If they don't want to talk to what is obviously a bot, they can just say, let me talk to a human. And then it says, all right, you can email Matt. So what does a customer service bot do? It answers questions. It has all of your knowledge in there. It's got your FAQs and a few other files that we'll discuss. It can handle bookings. It can be a lead capture magnet. So it can automatically take people's email addresses and then put them into your database. And the most important thing here is that it works 24/7, right? So you don't need to be online. You don't need to pay somebody else like a customer service representative to always be there, ready to handle calls. People can get information immediately. So that there's no waiting. According to Wix.com, having one of these bots increases customer contact and conversions by 300%. We're going to build a very simple and a free one today. And we're going to use a website called Chatbase. So this is chatbase.co. You can click try for free and create an account with Google or your email. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. And I'm going to sign in for my Flube Creative account. So that's my design business. Let's just go to Flube Creative and let's add a chatbot to this site. We start off here, it's totally blank, and we'll click New AI Agent. The first thing we need to do is prepare a couple of files. We've already made the FAQ file, or you should already have an FAQ file, just a simple set of questions and answers that clients or customers often or potentially have, and your tone file, which basically guides how the bot is going to speak, right? So let's generate a new file called Case Studies and Social Proof. This is for the chatbot to reference previous work that we've done before as a sales technique, right? So we'll use this prompt. Help me create a plain text file called Case Studies and Social Proof for my business. First, ask me a few quick questions about past clients or projects, what I did, what the outcome was, and what the client said. Then use my answers to write 3 short case studies, 2 to 3 sentences each, and 3 one-line testimonials in a natural conversational tone. If we grab this, copy it, and put it over into ChatGPT, let's start a new chat, and paste it in here. Okay, so it asks you a bunch of questions about project 1, project 2, project 3. So basically, I just want you to answer those questions. You could just do it by voice. Just click on the microphone and then talk about a few different clients and a few different projects that you've worked with before. For Flube Creative, I've got 5 different ones there. So we're going to upload that into Chatbase. We'll just drag and drop it. A quick tip, if you already have the company intro document, you can use that to generate case studies and social proof. Just upload your company intro or any documents relevant to what you've done before. What you can also do in Chatbase is add websites. This will automatically scrape your website and take the relevant information out of it. For Flube Creative, I'm just going to go to our website, copy the web address, go back to Chatbase, paste it in, and then fetch links. It's going to start scanning Flube Creative, and it's done. It's directly in touch with the information from our website. We've uploaded our case studies and testimonials document. And next, let's create a customer service agent instructions file as well. This teaches your customer service bot how to behave. We say, help me create a plain text file called customer service agent instructions for my customer service bot. It should explain how to greet users, what tone to use, what to do if it can't find the answer in the uploaded files, and how to end responses politely. So let's grab that and go back over to ChatGPT. Sometimes it gets confused between my design business, Flube Creative, and my AI consultancy business, Quietly Smart. So I'm just going to specify that there. Greeting users. Always greet users warmly and casually. Sound like a friendly human. Use their name if provided. Tone and style. Keep it light, friendly, and slightly witty. When you don't know the answer, if you can't find it, be honest and polite and offer to escalate it or let the user leave a message. So this stops the bot from hallucinating, right? It's probably not going to do that anyway. I think Chatbase has already got some built-in guardrails to stop that from happening. But we all know that LLMs, large language models, can hallucinate. So it's good to have that there. Let's just copy this and go over to text edit, create a new file, paste it in here. We'll just make this plain text and paste that in there. Then we'll go back to Chatbase and upload that file as well. So that's now appeared in the file sources as well. We didn't upload our FAQ, did we? So Flube Creative FAQ, we'll put that in. Basically ready to go. That's a good basic start to the files that should be in there. And it has all of the information from our website as well, right? So it scanned Flube Creative and got 47 links. Next, we're just going to go create agent. Oh, I'm only allowed 10 links on the free plan. This is all of the links that have been included, including every blog post and everything like that. So because we only have 10 links available on the free plan, let's just delete these. So we'll just go exclude. Oh, we have to do this manually. So now that we just have 10 links in our sources, we'll say create agent. And it's actually pretty fast. Because we only gave it a little bit of information, it trains it really fast. So now let's test it out. Let's ask a few questions. For example, why should I choose you? Choosing us means you'll benefit from our expertise in creating unique and memorable brand mascots that resonate with your target audience. What kind of clients have you worked with? This should be taking information from your case studies document, right? Absolutely perfect. Yep. So it mentions Cindy Reed Global Golf, Dark Horse Comics, Ella Food Packaging. the 5 main ones in our document. What happens if I need a refund? That's a good question. I've never had to deal with a refund for Flug Creative, so I'll be interested to see the reply. Our policy focuses on ensuring client satisfaction during revisions. We aim to ensure that you're 100% satisfied with your mascot design. We don't have a refund policy because it's not really a problem. Refunds might be important for other cases, especially if you're selling products rather than a design service. Last question. What should I do if I can't find the answer I need? If you can't find the answer you need, don't hesitate to reach out. It's not bad. It's not ideal. I'd like to fine-tune it a little bit more, but I don't want to waste your time too much. So the next thing that we're going to do is connect it to our website. And then we can work on fine-tuning the customer bot later on. This will be very specific as to who your website service provider is. For Flug Creative, I've actually used Wix.com. I can't say that I recommend them, to be honest, and I might consider changing, but that's who we're dealing with for now. So I'll just log in to Wix. We're going to the Wix website editor. And if we can't figure it out, guess what you do? Ask ChatGPT. So we're going to add an element here, and it will probably be custom code. Embed code. We'll embed HTML. We'll go back to Chatbase and make this public. This is the code here. It's very simple. It basically tells flugcreative.com to connect to Chatbase. So we'll copy that, paste it in here, and we have our chatbot right here. Now we're going to click publish, go back to Flug Creative, and we'll try this again. Okay, now we've got our thing. I noticed that the name says case studies and testimonials, which is a really weird name for a chatbot. So let's go back into Chatbase and we'll just edit the name and we'll call it Flug Creative Help. So that's just under settings, and then we'll click save. It's been saved now, so let's reload this and see if it's worked. Click on here. Yep, and there we go. Now it's called Flug Creative Help, and any visitor can now ask any question they have, and it will answer according to the knowledge that's in its knowledge base. A quick recap: upload your FAQ, case studies, and policy docs into Chatbase. Train the agent, embed it on your site, and test it. I'd also recommend asking ChatGPT to brainstorm edge cases. That's like customer questions that you might not have prepared for, and add them into the training documentation too. You can add more features to your chatbot as well, like configuring AI actions, such as booking a calendar slot or updating a CRM record. And you can get advanced reporting and insights on customer questions and drop-off points so that you can keep refining your bot even further. If you'd like to know more about that, write a comment below. Thanks for watching. My links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.